If you're looking for a reputable, reliable garage in Lowestoft, then look no further than Gooch Accident Repair Centre. We work with all car manufacturers and can handle all makes and models, and we guarantee an excellent service on every project we carry out. Our accident repair services are completed using the latest technology and techniques. Based in Lowestoft, we also serve customers in Great Yarmouth and the wider areas of Norfolk and Suffolk. If your car has been involved in an accident and has damage ranging from a minor dent to major accident damage, our team is experienced in all aspects of accident repair. If you have a minor dent, our paintless dent removal service can eliminate them without the use of paint or filler. We use only genuine parts to give you the highest quality repair. Our trained technicians are able to repair all makes and models of cars, and you can be assured the repair will be carried out to the very highest standard. For your paintwork, our team uses the very latest colour matching system to perfectly match your vehicle's existing colour, and we offer a lifetime paintwork guarantee on all of our work. If you have been involved in an accident that wasn't your fault, we can handle both insurance work and no-fault damage for your vehicle. Gooch Accident Repair Centre. Contact us today for a free estimate.